Hello, I'm George from Magaya. This video shows Magaya users how to create a shipment for the inbound portal extension. If you don't use Magaya, skip ahead to the section to see how to create a shipment file directly in the portal. See the description below for more information. To get started, create a shipment in your Magaya system. Add your shipment information, including additional house shipments if needed. Now we're going to show you two tabs to highlight the required fields before opening the inbound portal extension. We're also going to check the commodity information. First, go to the General tab of your shipment. These three things are required: a valid bill of lading number for ocean shipments or air waybill for air shipments, a declared value, and a description of the goods that are being transported. Next, go to the Routing tab of your Magaya shipment. The following fields are required, so fill them in if they're blank: the exporting carrier, the origin code for your shipment's origin country, and the destination code for the U.S. port that your shipment will enter. Please note, the exporting carrier field must have a carrier with a SCAC number, or airline number and airline prefix configured to its carrier profile. It's now time to review your commodities. All commodities or containers in an inbound shipment must have valid weights, dimensions, and descriptions. If you must edit a commodity, select it and click the Edit button on the cargo screen. Please note, a bill of lading form on the inbound portal cannot contain a mixture of loose items and containers. Your bill of lading must either have all containers or all loose items on it. Make one bill of lading per commodity type if needed. One final thing to do before opening the extension is complete the Importer of Record field. This field is located in the Custom tab of your shipment. The Custom tab and Importer of Record field are added automatically when the portal extension is installed to your system. You are now ready to send your shipment to the extension. Open the portal extension by clicking the Customs button in your shipment toolbar. Select Inbound 7512. There are four options, but for this procedure, click Create File. The extension will ask you to log in to the inbound portal if you are not already signed in. A screen opens to let you select the house bills of lading that you want to include in your file. If you only want customs to know the quantity listed on the shipment master, enable the Report Full Master BOL Quantity option. If the Only Send Master BOL Information option is enabled, only master shipment information will be sent to the portal. Information related to the houses will be ignored. These two options are useful for users that are responsible for the entire shipment master. Click Continue to open the portal. Files in the inbound portal are given a unique file ID, which is shown here. Review the portal file to verify that the information is complete. Make any edits if necessary. The portal can also be used to create a shipment from scratch. If you aren't using Magaya, you can create a shipment in the inbound portal by going to Files and clicking New. Complete the necessary fields on your file. Add a bill of lading to your file by scrolling to the end of your form and clicking the Add BOL button. Complete the fields on the BOL form. If you are moving the entire master, you can ignore fields related to house shipment information. To add containerized or loose items information to your bill of lading, click the three dots next to the General tab. Remember, bills of lading on the portal cannot have a mixture of loose items and containers. You can only add one of the two options to your form. You can also add any additional notified parties information if needed. If you sent the shipment from Magaya, BOL information is already transferred into the portal. Click Save to save your bill of lading to the file. Note that there is no limit to the number of BOL forms you can add to your file. You can also add additional BOL forms to a file that was already created from a Magaya shipment. When you are satisfied with your shipment file, click the Save button to save your file to the portal. See our other videos and the Getting Started article in the knowledge base for everything you need to work with the inbound portal. Thanks for watching.